Welcome to a video by Abron Export. This is GMcounter or Gieger Muller counter. This instrument has three things. One is the voltage, which is for the end tube. This one is the end tube. It is visible here. This one is the source. It is a radioactive source. It is to be used in this, and this is to be connected on the back side. Here we have the 2 points to be connected to the instrument. Here we are connecting it with the 220 volt power supply, main computer cable. And on the panel this tells you the voltage what is applied. When you press it only, then it is visible. Now it is 415 volt. You can change it to 200, 390. I have done it. You can do it by course also, change a little bit. I can do it 495. And this tells you the how much counting of the radioactive material is giving out the counting. You can count these, how much is the radiation it is giving out. And this is the time it is showing. Now I tell you the times, how to set the time. I press it for a few seconds, then this vibrates. I can set it to 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Generally it is done with the 30 seconds, then I can do it, make it 30 seconds. Then I can make it again also 30 seconds. Press it again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it is set. This is for starting the system. Whole of the system will start. And for resetting, this also and this also. The start, when you press the start, the timer will start and the machine will start counting how much is the radiation and the voltage applied. You can see on this, this is the voltage applied. Now what I can do, I can take out the source and put it on without this is lead source is inside. Here it is aluminium. Sometimes it comes in the lead, and you can place it on before the end tube. We have provided these sheets which are lead sheets. 5 sheets are there. 5 thick sheets of a little thinner sheet to 0.28 mm, 0.52, 0.4, 0.85, 120. Different thickness aluminum sheets are there, and this is finer. 0.065 sheets are there. So these are absorbers. You can put any one of them in any place and see how much is the change this will going to do it. I can just do it. I show you the first working without opening it. I can set it, the reading is on the back side what was there, and now I can set it 0. Now this is starting, and once I start it, this will start with the 30 seconds. Now this, how much radiation is coming out of this radioactive source, you can see this. This is on the about 400 volts. I can make it to 550. I'll show you and how much it works. I can show you this counting is going on. This is a reverse counting. 32, it is now becoming 0. Now you see it has become 0 seconds. Now 0, and 230 is the radiation. I can set it to 0. I can set it this to 500 or 550. Now I can, every time you have to do this instrument, reset it and then start this timer. Let me make it 20 and show you how it is done. It is 20. One, 2, 3. Now it is 20 seconds. I can press it. Let me check it. Now it is all set for 20 seconds. Now 20 seconds. Restart it. It is showing starting with the 20. Now see the radiation is, because of the 450 volt, radiation will be more. Even for 20 seconds, it will be quite a good amount. This is all with the covered and closed your source. I'll show you one more reading with the open source, but still it is a reading. Now see this. 20 seconds with the open radiation 450, the source is showing you the 150. Now let me show you with the source. I can open it and put it here. And there are many positions available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different positions are available. I can set it back, restart it, and see. Now it is faster, very fast going on. Even for 20 seconds, radiation is used. This machine is detectable for radiation teaching purpose. You can buy these instruments. See this. Now it is almost 20 seconds, and radiation is 1686 is the reading. I can cover it for safety. I have to keep it safe away from student and put these lead sheets anywhere. I can put it lead sheets and do the same experiment exactly. And these are our emails. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Another is 94160200018. Website is abronexports.com. You can subscribe to the channel, see the videos, other research instruments. These are the graphs. I can do it on 252, 350, 450, 550. This is what the graph with this EN tube and the instrument which we are giving you. These are the readings, and what is going to come is the how many counts of the this radiation is there. So these are I can put the graph. This is for with the 30 seconds time. This I have shown you as a 30 second, 20 second. So you can perform this experiment, and without absorber, with absorbers you can do all experiments of the radiation and understand the radioactive material and how this is going to affect the radiations and these materials, how much is absorbed. Subscribe to the channel. We'll update you regular videos, and you can see share the videos, like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.